Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright.
I'm just trying to grab something to eat real quick.
Alright, we're on the hunt for this guy. Alright, so I want to ask if you want some Somali food. If you want it, you can take it.
Okay.
Yeah? If you like it.
I appreciate it.
Okay. Food in life's such a beautiful thing. Don't you think? If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Come on. Be a part of the notification. Last month, I've been eating Indian food for about, I don't know, one time a week. I think it was one time a week. It was pretty bad. Bad in a good way though, because Indian food is amazing. I eaten so much Indian food, somebody in the comments said, Quang, you should go for some African food. So I went down the street, looked for some African food, seen a sign that said African food. Walked in, guys. Walked in and got some African food. Oh, this looks bomb, guys. I'm not even sure what it is. Here, let me flip all this lid. All right, okay. First off, guys, the place said African food, but when I was looking through it and I was just asking the owner what country of Africa this is, she said Somali. I know I had Somali food already, but this is a new place, guys, and I'm pumped to try it. All right, this is goat. Actually, I remember I got goat somewhere, but this is goat for sure. This is, I'm not even sure, but it looks delicious. This is, oh man, something with cornmeal. It looks and smells amazing, guys. This is, oh man, not even sure. Also, it came with, it kind of looks like injera, but Somali edition. Yeah, it looks like injera, but Somali style. Yeah, it does feel and looks like injera, but without the yeast. I'm not even sure, but also came with this soup here. Alright, not too sure what this is. Kind of looks like a dipping sauce. I'm not even sure, but let me read this out. Phone number, address right there, guys. The place is called Maye's Restaurant Cafe, African food. Drop my name when you guys check in. Alright, I'm not 100% sure what is what, but first things first, Maye chicken. It's called, oh, excuse my pronunciation, alright guys? It's called Kutuli TL Anza. I apologize, guys. I always mess up a lot of names. Next thing I got is goat meat. It just says goat meat. I'm pretty sure this is goat meat. Next thing I got, work with me, guys. Work with me. Kata or KK. One of these is kata or KK. Next thing I got is called Ugali. I think this is Ugali right here. My guess. That is Ugali. That's my guess. I don't know. Let's get into this, guys. Alright, first things first. I'm not 100% sure what this one really is, guys. But if you guys know, please do put it down. Like, Quang, that one case is this. Second case is this. Third case is this. I'm not too sure what this sauce is. Here. Let's do this. So since this sauce is in here already, it kind of smells like a cilantro. Cilantro, mint, garlicky, all the goodness. I don't know. Alright, first bite of this. I'm drooling, guys. Not even sure what it is. Oh, it's pasta. I didn't know I got pasta. Okay, it's pasta. Pasta with some seasoned chicken. Quick time, guys. Take the first bite of this. I just got it. Quick time. Just got it. Nice. Pumped for this. That's amazing. I'm not sure what kind of pasta that is, because this pasta is kind of more chewy than your regular pasta. It has a nice salad on there, guys. Another one. Quick time. Just got it. Nice. Pumped for this. That's amazing, actually. I need some paper. Okay, here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing about Somali cuisine. When I was looking at it, when I was looking at the menu, I'm not trying to hate or anything, but it seems like it was Italian slash Indian slash Ethiopian slash, I want to say Asian. I don't know why. I want to say Asian. I don't know why. But it kind of seems like it's pretty much influenced by many countries. That's what Somali cuisine is. Quote me if I'm wrong. I'm not too sure about this pasta. This pasta kind of tastes like a pasta, but with a texture, chewier consistency. Guys, another one. It's got it. Nice. Pumped for this. But it is darn tasty, guys. Guys, another one. The salad. It's got it. Nice. Mmm. What's up?
I was just wondering if you had some spare change off.
Let's got some here.
Thanks, man.
Yep. Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
I'm just trying to grab something to eat real quick.
All right.
All right, thanks, man.
Chicken, some Somali food. We're on the hunt for this guy. Alright, so I want to ask if he wants some Somali food. Yep. This kind of feels like I'm gonna be busted for some reason. I don't know, kind of seems sketchy. Sketchy in the sense of I'm gonna be pulled over because it feels like a drug exchange. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if he wants some Somali food. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Yo, how old are you? 21?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I got 2 kids right now, so
Yeah.
I just lost my job at construction.
Yeah.
So
Trying to look for a job?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Me and my girlfriend, we got into a fight, so
Yeah. You want some Somali food? Have you eaten Somali food before?
No.
No? If it's food, it's food?
Yeah.
And can you eat Somali
right now,
food?
Yeah.
If you want Somali food?
Okay.
Yeah, I haven't even tried this yet. Like, I kind of am just doing like a review of the food.
Okay.
If you want it, you can take it.
Okay.
Yeah? If you like it.
I
Yeah?
appreciate it, man.
Okay. There.
Thanks, bro.
I got something else for you. Just hold that. Hold this too. Put that in the bag. Put this in too. Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
What were you doing before this?
I was doing construction.
Construction.
Yeah.
I got a fork here for you too. Some cash too, man.
Oh, thanks, bro.
Here.
Thanks,
some
man.
water too,
Oh,
man. Some forks too, man.
Well, appreciate it, man.
Okay. Enjoy, man.
My name's bro.
Yeah. Quang.
Yeah, Quang.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Appreciate it, bro.
God bless, alright?
Yeah, thanks, man.
Take care, my brother.
Appreciate this,
Yeah.
100%.
Not a
man.
problem, brother.
I've been out here, I'm like, bro, like, look, you
Yeah.
can buy stuff for me,
Yeah.
like, on food. They're like,
Yeah.
yeah, get out of here, drug addict. I'm like,
Yeah.
if I wanted drugs, I wouldn't be
Yeah.
asking you to
Yeah.
buy me stuff.
Yeah.
Like, come on, man.
Good luck with everything, eh? Enjoy that.
Yeah,
Alright?
appreciate
Okay?
it, man.
Not a problem,
Thanks,
brother.
bro.
Okay? Take
Alright,
care.
have a good night,
You
man.
too. What was I saying, guys, before that guy rudely interrupted me? Just kidding. Guys, another bite of this. Quick time. It's got it. Nice. Super pumped for this. Mmm. We gotta all help each other out, guys. We actually do. Everybody needs to work together. If you don't agree with some things, you just gotta work together, guys. We just all gotta do it. Mmm. Life is such a beautiful thing, guys. It truly is. truly is. I hope you can eat goat though. Goat is kind of harsh to eat. Harsh in the sense that if it's your first time eating goat, it may be gamey. So hopefully he can eat goat. My man. My man. He legit kind of caught me out of surprise, guys. I didn't really even see him when he was just beside me. I should have looked in the camera, but I was too dazed off in this beautiful food here. Somali style cornbread. Quick time, guys. Just got it. Nice. Pump for this. Not sure what you dip it in. Maybe this. I feel like you need to dip it in something. This thing right here. Not sure what this is. It probably is delicious. Guys, a bite of this. Quick time. That's got it. Nice. Pump for this. That's beautiful. Not 100% sure what kind of leaf these are. But it's delicious. I want to say collard greens. I don't know. Guys, can you tell me? Not too shabby. Last one, guys. This is not too sure what it is. Forgive me, guys. Forgive me. This kind of just looks like chicken cutlets. Nice. Another one. Quick time. Nice. Got it. Nice. Pump for this. The seasoning on this. That is beautiful. That is very beautiful. Oh, it is collard greens, guys. This stuff is collard greens right here. The chicken cutlet is delicious. If only if it was a little more crunchier, I want to say it would have been perfect. But the seasoning on this, it's on point. That is very delicious. Very good. My review on Maye's African food restaurant, guys. It was delicious. The atmosphere is awesome. Customer service is awesome. What a blessing, guys. Such a blessing. Just thinking back now. It truly is amazing. Food life is such a beautiful thing, guys. It truly is. Peace out.